I've got this charging handle that has the standard latch on it. And I am going to install the extended latch that I have. So the best tools to have, this is what I've got, is what's called a starter punch. There's a little tiny, can't see it on the video, there's a little tiny dimple at the end of the punch. So what it does is it'll go in the hole and it won't completely destroy the roll pin, which a lot of times you can salvage them. And then what I have here is a roll pin starter. You drop the roll pin in here, and so it goes around it, and then you start it. Okay. The spring is in. So what I'm going to do, so you can turn it right side up, and I'm going to push down on the charging handle. I'm going to put the punch to line up the hole. I have that through there, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to rest it on here, and the punch is hanging off the edge. I'm going to pull this out just a smidge. I'm going to take my roll pin, I'm going to put it in my holder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push the roll pin in using the holder, and at the same time it's going to be pushing out the punch from the bottom. That way everything stays in line. Alright. So I'm going to actually take my punch, and I'm going to, because it's not quite flush and I want it just below the surface on either side. So I'm going to push it down just a little bit more. So it's flush on this side and it's flush on this side. Alright, now we're going to install it and do a function check. And we're going to do a function check. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull on the right side and make sure that the locking mechanism is working properly, which it is. With one hand, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, one finger grabbing it, pulling it back, once again, pulling on the right side of the handle. The latch is working, it is in the locking position. Function check is complete.